Let's read a book. This one is called I See. Ready? Let's start. I see. I see. I see. I see an ant. I see. I see a butterfly. I see. I see a snail. I see. I see eggs. I see birds. I see. We see. All done. Bye.